Are you tired of killers chasing up to you and you can't ever get away or find a situation to get out of? Well, I have the build for you. First we got Hope to get us faster at the end game by 7%. Then we got Resilience, so while we're injured, we can vault stuff faster and do everything faster. Then we got Made for this, will make us run faster when we're injured. We also have Windows of Opportunity, so we can also see the map and palettes and opportunities around us. Alright, let's get into it.
When I met you in the summer.
Alright, Mount Ormond Resort. Let's get. So this match, I'm going to be using my build fully and try to get as much flashlight saves as I can. Let's save him. Let's go, Steve.
Gonna go. Oh my God!
Right there.
Help!
Right over there.
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh, he has Lightborn. Unfortunate.
Help! Help!
Alright, let's see if we can give him a little chase.
Better come.
There we are. We do a little pressure. Take him to this pallet instead. Alright. Let's go back to Hook. He's not gonna care about us. Little Lightborn user. Alright. Up. Mind games. Read the pallet.
Okay, I'll pull up.
Games. Come on, little guy. Little man. Bloodlust Gaming? Let's keep that for me. Yeah. So, that. Let's go this way. He's not gonna know. We're gonna hit this window. Little kickflip for the boys. There he is. Let's see what we can do here. He's gonna possibly leave us. Let's see here. Nope. Yeah, he left us. Faith. Come on, boy. Come on. Alright, 3 years, not gonna hit that. Alright. Yep. Probably gonna double back. He's gonna leave us. Little Steve.
Yeah, what?
Alright, I want him on me as long as possible. I'm trying to take him to Shack. That might seem fun. Oh, he just can't. I get to get unfortunate. Let's see what we can do here. Hell yeah. Thank you for a chase.
No. Wait.
For once. Come on, dude. Chase me! Chase me! Chase me! Please! Chase me! Come on, man. I'll take a mid-map. Come on. Let's go. Hell yes. Oh, shit.
People be like,
I will go to this endgame collapse. Come here! Come here! You! Come here!
no.
Dog. I'm serious right now. Little goober. Little smooch. What?
Nope.
What? Do it.
No.
I'll do it. Oh man. Dead Dog Saloon. Alright, let's do this. Again. Oh, they like me. Very good. Gotta go. Little breaks. Oh, we're fine. We could hit this Tino. We'll be good. Bamboozle. A little hit. Oh, I'll spin too. Not too bad. There we are. Hold that, buddy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Took a little slap there. He didn't bamboozle this, so we're fine to take the window. Come on, buddy. Little bamboozle gaming. Hurt nobody. We'll make it value. Oh, we're fine. This guy doesn't know what he's doing anyways. Once he takes it that way. If he just could have bamboozled that, that would have been perfect for him. But he didn't, so that sucks. Yeah, sorry, but just gonna slide over here. This is still coming after me. It's awesome. He's not on me anymore. Ooh, she getting funky. Little touchies. You hear nobody? Full build activated against the Wraith. Alright. Let's do this. Hopefully she gets off this.
Nope.
Unfortunate. I think I'm dead here. We'll make it value plus hope. Easy. W. Actual W. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Doesn't know. It's a little speed boost. Not gonna lie. We can't make anything else. We just take this really slowly. A little spin. Unfortunate, I guess. As long as our teammates comes after us, I'm not getting solo queued. So, and if not, if Ada gets down by like no. Okay, she's probably good. I got stuck. Unfortunate. Take this window. It is down. Fuck out. Oh man. We're gonna be cutting it close. This poor guy, dude. What's bro doing? That poor dude.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit? How are you not in fucking school? You kiss your mother with that mouth? It's called you kiss your mother with that fucking mouth? Because the fucking youth is just
I'm doing good.
Now, I'm really mad.
Poor guy. Anyways, it's been a great time, and think that's it. That's value. This was a super speed build. And well, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.